You ready for this?
Yes, sir. CWS shares the same values that I have. That's why I stay with them. My name is Luis Olea, and I work on Marquis Barton Trails in Austin, Texas. My favorite part of working for CWS is the Bridge program. The Bridge program is this program where you do community service and the company give you money back. I like that a lot because it gives you the time to give back to the community and help some people. I like the fact that we go and help somebody without expecting anything in return. Serving people to me is really important because it's part of my life. That's what I do every day. I serve my residents are happy, my manager is happy, I'm happy. You know, it's important to me because that's the way the world goes around. We serve each other. We have a good teams. We have good people that will give you the right answers. We have good programs. This is the best company I've been with because they gave me the reason to help other people with the tools the company is providing me.